Okay, Nini and Dika both play netball. The probability that Nini will score a goal on her first attempt is 0.75. And then the probability that Dika will score a goal on her first attempt is 0.82. And the first thing that they want to do is calculate the probability that Nini and Dika both score a goal in their first attempt. Well, the key word is and. And means intersection, which means multiplication. And so, basically, we want to find the probability that Nini scores a goal in the first attempt and Dika scores, Dika scores on her first attempt as well. So if we take the probability that Nini scored on her first attempt, which was 0.75, and multiply by the probability that Dika scored on her first attempt, which is 0.82, if we multiply those values together, we're going to get 0.615. So then, on part B, they want to find the probability that neither Nini nor Dika will score a goal on their first attempt. So, if we know the probability that Nini scores on the first attempt is 0.75, to find the probability that she does not score, you just take 1 minus that probability. So the probability that Nini does not score would be 1 minus the probability that she does score, which is 0.75, which equals 0.25. And then the same thing for Dika, it would be 1 minus 0.82, which equals 0.18. So if we want to find the probability that neither of them score on first attempt, it's basically the probability that Nini doesn't score and Dika doesn't score on the first attempt. So again, because we're using the word and, it's multiplication. So we take 0.25 times 0.18, and we're going to get 0.045. And that's your final answer.